Welcome to this quick guide on attaching a file when sending an email in the Gmail app. If you've ever needed to share a document, photo, or anything else directly from your phone, this step-by-step walkthrough will have you sending with ease in no time. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. From here, you'll see your inbox with all your messages. To start a new email, look to the bottom right corner and tap the Compose button. This opens a fresh message where you can write your email just like you would on a computer. Now, to attach a file, locate the paperclip icon at the top right of the screen. Tap that icon to open the attachment options. You'll typically see choices such as attach file, insert from drive, or similar depending on your device and app version. Tap on attach file. This will bring up your phone's file picker, showing the folders and apps where your documents live. Navigate to the file you want to send. You can choose a PDF, DOC, image, or other supported file types. Tap the file to select it. Gmail will attach the file to your email, and you'll see a thumbnail or file name appear in the message body, confirming the attachment is ready. With the file attached, fill in the recipient's email address in the To field. Enter a clear and concise subject that reflects the content of your attachment. Then craft your message in the body, perhaps noting what the recipient should do with the file or any important details they need to know. When everything looks good, tap Send. A couple of quick tips to smooth things out. If the file is large, you might consider compressing it or sending a link to Google Drive instead of attaching directly. You can also check your attachment by tapping on it in the message draft to ensure it's the correct file before sending. If you don't see the attachment after tapping the paperclip, try tapping the paperclip again or reviewing the file picker permissions in your phone's settings to make sure Gmail can access your files. That's all there is to it. Attaching files in the Gmail app is straightforward. Once you know where to tap, with these steps, you'll confidently share documents, photos, and more without leaving your mobile device. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe for more quick Gmail tips, and ring the bell so you won't miss the next update.